Hey guys, Joel at Kooy Brothers here. In this video, we're talking about STIHL's latest product to hit the market, the GTA26. This machine is STIHL's lightweight 4-inch handheld pruning saw. Instead of using a pruner or a handsaw, you can pull this guy out and zip through any lightweight work. It's great for pruning trees, small shrubs, anything that you want to tackle on the fly that requires a little extra work. It's quiet, as you can see right here. Pretty cool. When you purchase this machine, it comes complete with a battery, charger, scabbard, and carrying case. Everything you need to get the job done. Whatever job you have around the house, to boost productivity, the GTA26 is going to make a great addition to your tool lineup.